Hello, Mike here from Mertzke Custom Woodworking. Welcome to my shop and welcome to another edition of Woodshop Confessions. Today I'll be installing some adjustable wall shelves in my shop. I was originally contacted by Fleximount to see if I was interested in trying their overhead storage racks like you can see in April Wilkerson's video of her setting up her garage shop, which I'll leave a link in the description. The two issues I had with that system is one, I only have 8-foot ceilings in my shop, and I'm 6'5", so you can do the math. When Fleximount contacted me about their new height adjustable wall shelves, though, I accepted their invitation to try and review the product. I've been in the process of yet another shop reorganization, and the miter saw station was the victim this time due to its large footprint. Thankfully, I was able to find a good home for it, and I hope my friend is getting as good use out of it as I was. Now, one of the issues caused by losing the miter saw station was also losing a large amount of storage I had built into it. I have been slowly finding new homes for items previously stored in the miter saw station, but medium-sized cutoff storage was one of the things still lacking in the shop. This is where I felt this new product from Fleximount could really come in handy. Since I have French cleats on all my walls, I cut down some 3/4 inch plywood to act as spacers to span between the cleats and allow me to mount the brackets. Although I still want to be able to move things on the walls as needed, since this shelf is going to be loaded down with lumber, I wanted to securely mount it to the wall. Once all the spacers were cut, I screwed them to the wall in line with the studs. These shelf brackets are designed to mount directly on the wall, but I'm confident that by using these spacers to create a flush surface to mount the brackets, it will give me more than enough strength to hold anything I might put on the shelves. This way, the next time I decide to do another shop overhaul, I can simply take them down and reuse the spacers at the new mounting location. As you can see, I am making sure the bracket is plumb and pre-drilling all the holes for the lag bolts. To ensure the brackets are in line with each other to guarantee the shelves are level, I'm using a long level resting on 2 of the shelf brackets. These brackets are where Fleximount really made their money with these shelves. Most adjustable shelves are not only very similar, but also all have the same flaw. It only uses downward pressure to keep the shelf bracket in place, and if you've ever accidentally bumped one of these style of shelves before and got to watch them and everything on it come crashing down before, you'll appreciate this design. Each shelf bracket not only is made to lock into the shelf, but also into the wall bracket, thus providing a shelf that is securely mounted, but at the same time still gives you the functionality of an adjustable shelf. They do mention that no tools are needed to secure the shelves, but I did find that using a screwdriver helped a little. At the time of making this video, I've had the shelves up for about 3 months and really find them to be useful and a good storage option for a garage or shop. Everything from how it was packaged to include mounting hardware with template, and the quality of the shelf is top notch. The only thing I found that could be improved on is making the locking screws a little easier to secure, but that could be partly because of my big hands. Either way, these adjustable shelves fit perfectly in the space I had open and gave me a good and visible storage option for some of my mid-sized cut-off pieces. Thanks for watching, and until next time.